I've made beer batter with non-alcoholic beer, light beer, dark, stout. All turns out great. Been doing this since sometime in the 1960s. You can do cod fillets, cut it in strips. In Alaska, we did king crab. Today, I have chicken tenderloins. The process is the same. I buy my chicken at Costco. Come in this nice little package. There's 6 of them, ready for the freezer. Doesn't get much easier than that. There's 6 or 7 in each one of these. It's probably plenty for a normal family's meal. We have 3 of us tonight, but there is a possibility we'll have 5. As the things cook, and we're going to make a lot of stuff, I'm going to put it on a rack on a cookie sheet. My oven is preheating to 250 degrees. It's going to keep it nice and hot, crunchy too. We're going to make our beer batter. In all the time that I've done this, it just kind of occurred to me today. I've never measured. I just do it. So I'm trying this. I've got 3 cups of flour, 1 bottle of Samuel Adams. Today it's called Oktoberfest. Everything that we're making today, it's going to be a lot of food, ends up being 304 milligrams of sodium. If I have to make a little more batter, it might be 314. Too thick. So, I got to get another bottle of beer. 2 ingredients. And that's all you got. We're going to start with the chicken. Then we're moving on. The next thing is onion rings. I don't add any other spices to it. It just doesn't seem to need any. Whether you're doing cod or chicken. The trick to getting the batter on there right is to dry your food with paper towels or dish towels. If it's wet, the batter just might fall right off of it. So we're going to do chicken first. My fryer is set at 375 degrees. And it's ready for action. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. 7 minutes and my chicken is done. I broke my frying thermometer. Went to my store to get one. I couldn't find it. But that's when I found the little fryer. I thought, ooh, great. Well, folks, that basket is so small, I had to take out one of those pieces of chicken. It only will do 3 pieces of chicken at a time. I got 11 pieces to do. As I cook them, they're going to go on a rack in my oven. But I wouldn't suggest anybody buying that little fryer. It's time for onion rings. They go in the batter, and then in the little fryer. The onion rings are done. Took about 4 minutes. My basket's small, so I can only do a little at a time. and I don't have a thermometer for grease. Or I would have been cooking all this in a big pot. Now we're going to do bell peppers. I have yellow, orange, and red. Dip it in the same batter. Stick it in the little fryer. We have onion rings on this side, and we've got red, orange, and yellow bell peppers on this side. If you like ketchup on yours, regular ketchup has 160 milligrams of sodium for a tablespoon. Heinz has a no salt added for 5 milligrams per tablespoon, and it's right good. The next thing we're doing is pickles, dill pickles. They've got a lot of sodium, but Healthy Heart Market has got dill pickles, extra spicy pickles, and bread and butter with no sodium. You don't order them, it takes about a week and a half for them to get to you. Real nice. The next thing we're doing is battered pickles. We have fried dill pickles. The last thing we're doing is jalapeno peppers. You want to wear your rubber gloves when you're messing with jalapenos. Just take the jalapeno and slice it, but leave the seeds and the membrane inside. We took that out for the bell peppers, but not for these. They're going to go in the batter and then deep fry them, and my dinner's done. People are waiting for their dinner. Gonna be good. So whatever you decide to do, whether it's cod or chicken or this batter, works great. Really good. My husband and my son-in-law are anxious to try these jalapenos. They like hot stuff. Just gotta check. Things take about 5 or 6 minutes in this little pot. Just enjoy your dinner, folks. Very low sodium. I got 11 pieces of chicken, a bunch of onion rings, bell peppers, pickles, and jalapenos. And because I didn't use near all the onion or the peppers or the batter, there's not even 300 milligrams in the whole thing. Lots of food, lots of flavor, lots of texture. The jalapenos have a way of disappearing really fast as they come out of that fryer. It's a good thing I've got another batch in there because there's not much left. Well, we have chicken, onion rings, bell pepper rings, dill pickles, and jalapenos.